there, this is A.B. Sharma. So many of you have requested to explain the video or upload the video of the chapter electric current and its effect. So as per your request, I am going to upload the video of this chapter. So in this video, I will discuss some basic things. I am not going to use whiteboard. I will discuss some basic things, that is what is a charge, what is an ion, and what is electric current. Three basic things you must have to know before going for another topics. So first I am taking back to you in your previous classes where you have studied about atom. What is an atom? You have studied already in your previous classes in subject chemistry also. So an atom is the smallest unit of any element. It is the building block of an element. Atoms are made up of three fundamental particles. But recent discovery have shows that so many elementary particles are there which constitute atom. That is different thing. But your concern is only how an atom is made up of. An atom is made up of three basic elementary particles that are called electron, proton and neutron. Electron has negative charge, a proton has positive charge, and neutron is neutral. It has no charge. Another important thing, total number of electron is equal to total number of proton. Means total number of negative charges is equal to total number of positive charges. That's why an atom is neutral. Again, you have studied about ion. What is an ion? Ions are charged atom. In class 7 you have studied, I think, ions are what? Ions are charged atom. From there, charges came into existence. Charges are what? Ions are what? These are charged atom. Now come at the topic charge. Charge is either deficiency or excess of an electron. When an electron moves away from the periphery of an atom, it becomes positively charged. And when an electron added to the element, it becomes negatively charged. So charges are what? Charges are either the deficiency or excess of electron. In many books it is written there charges are the intrinsic property of an atom or of the material, but it is also written that you can also write the definition. There is nothing wrong in writing that definition, but in simple sentence that you can understand properly, that you can grasp properly, that is an excess or deficiency of electron in an atom is called charge. What is the unit of charge? Coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of electric charge. Now come to the point, electric current. Current is what? If you have know about the charge will either remain stationary or either it will move, either it will flow. So when charges remain stationary, this is the different branch of the different chapter you will study in class 12, that's electrostatics. It will show different property. When charges remains stationary, it will show different property that you will study in class 12 in the chapter electrostatics. That is not our concern. We will study the flow of charge. When charges flow from one point to another point, it constitutes electric current. So electric current is what, my dear students? The flow of electric charge from one point to another point per unit time is called electric current. Electric current is the flow of electric charge per unit time. This is the definition of electric current. Flow of charge per unit time is called electric current. So how will you interpret in mathematically? I equals to Q over T, where I represent electric current, Q represents electric charge, and T represents time. So I equals to Q over T. This is the mathematical representation of electric current. And what is the unit of electric current? Ampere is the unit of electric current. Ampere is the SI unit of electric currents. So hope three important basic topics it is clear to you. The three important basic topics are clear to you, that is charge, current and their SI unit. We will meet in next video. Till then,